A long time ago, in a galaxy far away. Star Wars is a good work, but it's too big to make a picture of a galaxy far away. So I decided to enjoy the atmosphere of Star Wars in a good location in Japan. The place is in Saijo City, Ehime Prefecture, one of the Ishizuchi mountain range. Its name is Iyo Fuji. If you go to the top of Mt.Iyo Fuji, you can see a 360-degree panorama. Such a mountain can be said to be the best place to enjoy the atmosphere of Star Wars. The altitude of Iyo Fuji is 1,756 meters. From Saijo City, you can reach the trailhead in a little over an hour by car. You should be able to reach the summit in a little more than 2 hours. The altitude of Iyo Fuji is not so high, but sometimes it is difficult to climb. In winter, the cold air blown from the Seto inland sea freezes the roads and trees. Many climbers wear crampons in winter to see this beautiful hoarfrost. Finally, let's introduce the cosplay video taken at the top of the mountain. May the Force be with you.